In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product variants in Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo dashboard and click on the Inventory app. This is where you can manage your stock-related products and make changes to the way they are configured. Once you're inside the Inventory section, look to the top left toolbar and click on Products. From the drop-down or menu options that appear, select Products again to open the full product list. At this point, you'll see a list of all the products currently available in your system. Take a moment to find the product you want to add variants to, then click to open it. This will bring you into that product's detail page where you can adjust its settings and expand the way it is offered. Next, go to the Attributes and Variants tab. This is the section where Odoo lets you define the different options a product can have, such as size, color, material, or any other variation you want to offer. If your product comes in multiple versions, this is the exact place where you set that up. Now click Add a line. You'll first need to enter the attribute name. This is the category of variation, for example, something like size or color. After that, move to the Values field and begin entering the variant values one by one. Type the first value, then press Enter to confirm it. Continue by typing the next value and pressing Enter again after each one. Repeat this process until all of the variant values you want for that attribute have been added. As you do this, be careful to enter each value clearly and consistently, since these will become the selectable options for that product later on. Taking an extra second here can help keep your product catalog organized and easier to manage. Once you've finished entering the attribute and all its values, click Save. Odoo will then use that information to generate the product variants based on the options you added. And that's it. Your product now has variants. If needed, you can return to this same tab later to update the attribute or add more values. This is especially useful if your product line changes over time or if you want to offer more choices in the future. That's how to add product variants in Odoo quickly and easily.